Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to convert a Word document into a PDF. In this video, we're gonna use a website that has a simple and straightforward interface with just one upload button. First, let's go to the website. You can find the link to the website in the description of this video. This is pdfconvert.site. Once you're on the website, you should see the upload button right in the center of the screen. To begin the conversion process, click on the upload button. This will open a file explorer window where you can navigate to the Word document. Select document and click open, or just double click on the document. The website will now start uploading the Word document. This may take a few seconds, depending on the size of the document and the speed of your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, the website will automatically start the conversion process. This should also only take a few seconds. When the conversion is finished, the website will automatically download the PDF version of your document to your computer. Just click Save. You can find it in the download folder of your browser or in the location that you specified in your browser download settings. And don't worry, all of your documents are erased from the server right after the conversion. Thanks for watching.